The Reserve Bank is now effectively forecasting a per capita recession this year. In today's statement on monetary policy, it's cut the GDP growth forecast for the December quarter this year from 1.6 to 1.2%. And in a recent speech, Governor Philip Lowe said population growth is now expected to be 2% this year. So extra people account for a lot more than the expected growth in national output, and that means output per person falls a lot. The market's now predicting 2 rate cuts within 12 months in Australia, which doesn't mean that'll happen, of course. And in the United States, after yesterday's rate hike by the Federal Reserve, the market is predicting 4 cuts this year. And that sent the US dollar down and helped the Aussie dollar back above 67 US cents. The share market went up a bit, with ANZ up on news of a 23% lift in profit, while Macquarie shares fell after a 10% increase in full-year profit to $5.2 billion. And by the way, one executive of Macquarie made a salary of $58 million. It was Nick O'Kane, who runs the commodities and global markets business. His boss, Shamara Wickramanayake, made a lousy $32.8 million. The US share market fell last night, along with London and Shanghai, and the iron ore price dropped 5% today and is now well below $100 US a tonne. A couple of graphs to finish the week. This one compares the payment for Medicare item 23, which is a GP visit of less than 20 minutes, with the CPI, and that explains why doctors are grumpy. And this graph of the Archibald Prize winners by gender was prepared before today's victory by Julia Gutman. So the percentage of female winners has now soared from 14 to 15%. And that's art.